Microsoft Excel is designed to help you organize, calculate, and analyze data efficiently. The first step in this process is entering your data accurately into a worksheet. Data in Excel can broadly be categorized into text, numbers, and dates. Understanding how to input and manage these types is fundamental to effective spreadsheet use. Methods of entering data. There are three primary ways to enter data into an Excel worksheet. They are manual typing, copy and paste, and data import. Manual typing, typing directly into cells. This is the most common method. You simply select a cell and begin typing. You can enter different kinds of data in a cell, including text data. Excel treats any entry that is not immediately recognized as a number or date as text. By default, text is aligned to the bottom left of the cell. Numeric data. Numbers are used for calculations. Excel automatically aligns numbers to the bottom right of the cell by default. Date and time data. Excel recognizes many date and time formats, e.g., mm/dd/YYY, dd-mmm-YY, hh:/mm. When a date or time is entered, Excel stores it as a serial number, which allows for date and time calculations. Dates are also right-aligned by default. Formulas. Formulas begin with an equal sign and are used to perform calculations. For example, equals sum A, 1 to A5. We will explore formulas in detail in Module 3. How to type data. 1. Click on the cell where you want to enter data. 2. Type your text, number, or date. 3. Press Enter to move to the cell below. Tab to move to the cell to the right, or use the arrow keys to move to any adjacent cell. Copying and pasting data. You can transfer data from other parts of your workbook, other Excel files, or even external sources, like websites or Word documents, using copy and paste functions. To do this, 1. Select the data you wish to copy from its source. 2. Press Ctrl+C or right-click and choose Copy. 3. Go to your Excel worksheet and select the top left cell of where you want to paste the data. 4. Press Ctrl+V or on the Home tab. In the Clipboard group, click Paste. Observe that the selected data is pasted on the selected Excel worksheet, starting at the selected cell. Using Paste Special, Excel's Paste Special feature provides powerful options for pasting content, allowing you to choose exactly what elements are pasted, e.g., values, formats, formulas, etc. Key Paste Special options. These are the major Paste Special options you can choose from. Paste All. This option pastes content, formatting, and formulas. Formulas. This option pastes only the formulas, not their resulting values. Values. Pastes only the calculated results or raw data, ignoring formulas and most formatting. Formats. This option pastes only the formatting from the copied cells. Transpose. This option changes columns to rows and rows to columns when pasting. Column widths. Applies the source column widths to the destination. To use Paste Special, do the following. 1. Copy the desired data. 2. Select the destination cells. 3. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the Paste drop-down arrow and select Paste Special. 4. In the Paste Special dialog box, select your desired option and click OK. Importing data. For more complex data sets, Excel allows you to import data from external sources like text files, .csv, databases, or web pages. This method is covered in advanced data management modules. Editing data in Excel. After entering data, you'll often need to make changes to your data immediately or at a later time. Let's look at how to edit data in Excel. Editing cell content. You can edit the content of a cell using the following options. 1. Directly in cell. Double-click the cell to enter edit mode. Make your changes and press enter. 2. Using the formula bar. Select the cell, then click in the formula bar above the column headers to edit its content. Press enter when done. 3. Press F2. Select the cell and press F2 to immediately enter edit mode at the end of the cell's current content. The undo and redo commands. These essential tools help you correct mistakes or revert changes. Undo reverts the last action performed. Click the undo arrow on the quick access toolbar or press Ctrl and Z on the keyboard. Redo reapplies an action that was previously undone. Click the redo arrow on the quick access toolbar or press Ctrl and Y on the keyboard. You can click the drop-down arrow next to undo to see a history of actions and undo multiple steps at once. Now that you can conveniently enter data, text, numbers, dates, and formulas in Excel, I'll walk you through using the autofill for faster and quicker data entry in the next lesson. Keep a date.